In this video, I'd like to talk to you about operating your clothes dryer. Here at my property, we use stacked units, and you might have a standalone unit. They work essentially the same. There might be a few unique functions to this model. So let's concentrate on the dial for a minute. You have two high heat settings. You have automatic high heat, and this is going to sense the amount of moisture in your clothes, and it's going to turn off when it senses that your clothes are dry. The time dry setting is also a high heat setting, and it works basically according to the clock. So these are suitable for jeans, cottons, heavier fabrics, and it's up to you to determine which setting works best for you. Then you have a fluff air setting, and there is no heat associated with this setting. It's for garments that call for air dry only. It might dry your clothes a little bit faster than just hanging them up to dry, just due to the tumbling action. And lastly, you have automatic permanent press, which is a low heat setting. And you want to use this for delicate fabrics. You want to use this for dress clothes, anything you feel might be damaged by high heat. Then you would hit start to begin your cycle. The most important thing to remember about your dryer is to clean your lint trap regularly. This model has it in the back there. A lot of them have it right up in the front of the drum. And you want to clean that pretty regularly just to assure drying efficiency. If you don't clean it often, you might have buildup of steam in there, and it's gonna make your machine run a little bit longer. So I hope you found this video helpful. You have a great day.